text and titles. Now I'll show you guys how to add some text. What we want to do is select the type tool down here in the toolbar, and T is going to be the shortcut for that one. And then we can just go right over our video and just click like so. And let's say I want to add something like Kalman web design. And to edit this, we want to use Control A to select all of that text, navigate to essential graphics, and this will let us align it like so right in the middle. We can size it down below. So if I want to make it bigger and then align it again, I can. And here we can also change the font. So I'll just select something random for now to change it. And we can select the size, the spacing, whatever we need to do to the text. And for now, I also want to change the color. So the fill, I'll just change to black. Then we can also add shadows and any other effects we want. Now that we're done editing our text, what I want to show you guys is we can see this in the timeline. So it's going to take up a certain time period right here. If we want to make this shorter, we can just click and drag it in. If we want it longer, we just drag it out and it'll last for a longer time now.
Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.